Okay, this video is a big one, and it's something that I get asked a lot in my, daily practice. So, should you pay off your credit card or save? The right answer might surprise you. So, should you pay off your credit card first, or should you start saving and investing? It's one of the most common and most confusing financial questions people have. In this video, I'll break down exactly which you should prioritize, when saving makes sense, when paying off debt is smarter, and how to create a strategy that will protect you long term. Why this question matters so much? Well, credit card debt is one of the most expensive forms of borrowing. Most cards charge 15 to 30% interest every year, which means that even small balances can snowball fast. They can really put you in a disadvantageous situation. On the other hand, building savings is essential, not just as an emergency fund, but also, for your long-term financial future. You need cash for emergencies, unexpected bills, and also opportunities. So this isn't just a math question. It's a life decision that affects your stress levels, financial freedom, and ultimately the ability to grow wealth. So the golden rule would be to compare interest rates. Here's the simple truth. If your credit card interest rate is higher than any return you can reasonably get from savings or investing, pay it off first. And normally it will be. But think about it. If your card charges 20% interest, but your savings account pays 3%, you're losing money every month by not clearing your debt. It's almost impossible to beat credit card interest via saving. Very few investments give you 20% guaranteed, if any, in my humble opinion. But paying off high interest debt is a guaranteed return. And there is one exception though. Here's where it gets interesting. You shouldn't throw every dollar at your credit card right away. Why? Because you also need an emergency fund. You can pay off all your debt but have zero savings. The next unexpected expense will go right back on the credit card, and then the cycle continues. So, in my humble opinion, the smartest approach is build a small emergency cushion. That could be anything from $2,000 to $5,000 to $10,000. And this stops you from falling back into the debt cycle due to emergencies or whatever that may be. Then I would say aggressively pay down your credit card and use the Avalanche method. And what that means is higher interest rate first, or Snowball method, smallest balance first. And after your debt is under control, focus all of your time, energy on saving and investing. Once the debt is gone, your income becomes fuel for your future wealth. So yeah, that would be my advice on whether to save or pay off your credit card. And I guess the simple answer is both, but in the right order. Build a small safety buffer, then attack the debt, then invest for the future. This strategy will lower stress, stop the debt cycle, and set you up for real financial stability. And, well, I guess that's about it on this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, the subscribe for more clear financial guidance. And let us know in the comments which one you are focusing on right now. Is it paying off debt? Is it building savings? And you can always drop us an email at info@expatmoneychat. Thanks for watching. Cheers.